Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust your Lexus clock. First, find the menu or setup button on your vehicle's infotainment system. This is usually a physical button or an icon on the touchscreen. Press it to open the main settings. From there, you will want to navigate through the options until you find the general or clock settings. This is your starting point for making any time adjustments. Once you are in the general or clock settings, you will see various options related to time. Look for and select clock or time. Within this section, you will typically find an option to choose between automatic and manual time adjustment. For precise control, select the manual setting. This will enable you to directly input the correct hours and minutes for your current location. Now that you are in manual adjustment mode, you can easily change the time. Use the on-screen up and down arrows or a physical rotary knob if your system has one to adjust the hours. Once the hour is correct, move to the minutes. Adjust them using the same method. After setting both the hours and minutes precisely, remember to press the OK or Set button to save your new time. This step is crucial. For future convenience, consider enabling Auto Time Zone if your Lexus offers it. This feature automatically updates the time based on your location. Also, if your region observes daylight saving time, make sure to toggle that setting on or off as needed. These automatic features help keep your clock accurate without frequent manual adjustments. Finally, take a moment to review all your settings to ensure the time is displayed correctly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.